Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I would like to speak about the present pattern method for upcoming LLB examinations. So the KSLU has been notified the change of pattern question paper method for freshers and repeaters. This will be applicable from first semesters to at present semesters for freshers and as well as repeaters. So I am going to explain both freshers and repeaters what question paper pattern would be from the KSLU. So today we have received the fresh notification for change of pattern question paper. So I would like to speak firstly for freshers. For freshers means from first semester to fifth semester. Right now 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, it could be till up to ninth semester. So what will be the pattern means you will have 5 units in the syllabus. From each units you will have 2 questions 10 marks, 2 questions 6 marks. Among 2 questions you have to write 1 question for 10 marks and 1 question for 6 marks. So present method is what we have written earlier. The pattern was you can able to write any questions from any among 10 questions you can write 5 questions. Among 10 questions 6 marks you can able to write 5 questions. Now they have been cancelled that pattern. They have newly introduced that for each unit you will have 2 questions. For 10 marks you will have 2 questions and 6 marks will have 2 questions each unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 units you have to write 1 question 10 marks and 1 question 6 marks. 10 marks could be essay writing and 6 marks it would be one either problem, either short notes. That pattern they have been given. 80 marks you have to write theory and 20 marks it would be from college internal assessment and your assignments. So this is how for freshers examinations. So once again I will repeat in lastly. So I am going to move on for repeaters. For repeaters pattern would be like this. You will have to write 16 marks questions 4 among 7 questions. You will have 7 questions of 16 marks. You have to write among 4 questions. You will have 7 questions of 16 marks and you need to write only 4 questions among 7 questions. This is for repeaters who are all writing 100 marks pattern method. What do you call? So you don't have internal assessment or YOS or something like that, because you need to write 100 marks within 3 hours. You have to write 100 marks. From there you will have to write 4 questions for 16 marks, and secondly you need to write 8 marks for 2 questions. You will have 3 questions of 8 marks. From there you have to write 2 questions of 8 marks. After that you have to write 2 questions for 10 marks. They will be given 3 questions of 10 marks. From there you have to write 2 questions of 10 marks. So 16 marks question you have to write 4 questions, and 8 marks question you have to write 2 questions, and 10 marks questions you have to write 2 questions. Like this it could be. So once again I will repeat, my dear friends. For freshers from Unit 1 you will have 2 questions 10 marks, you will have 2 questions for 6 marks. Among you have to write 1 question 10 marks and you have to write 6 marks. Again, second unit also same. You will have 10 marks questions 2, 6 marks questions 2. Among you have to write 1 question 10 marks and among you have to write 1 question for 6 marks. Like that, it could be 5 units. Each units you have to attend. So earlier it was, wherever you can write it, but now they have been cancelled the pattern. So upcoming LLB examination, it could be 5 units. From there you have to write all 5 units. You have to write 10 marks question 1 and 6 marks question 1. For repeaters, you will have 100 marks pattern method. From there you have to write 60 marks questions 4, 8 marks questions 2 and 10 marks question 2. So that 100 marks you need to be able to attend. For freshers, 80 marks you need to write in 3 hours, and for 100 marks you have to write within 3 hours 100 marks. So this is how the clarification today, the notification which I have explained in this video. I hope this video have been clarified the doubts of your LLB, upcoming LLB examinations. What will be the pattern, especially for freshers who are all going to write first year, first semester. For them it is very important that this pattern will be going to get for upcoming LLB examinations, art semesters and repeaters. Please do subscribe my channel Marketing so that you will notified very good videos like this. Thank you.